Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making these amazing peanut butter cookies. So let's get started. We're going to start off with 1 cup of peanut butter. You can use smooth or crunchy, that's totally up to you. I'm using crunchy here because that's what I had available at home. So go ahead and put that into a large mixing bowl. So to the mixing bowl we're going to add half a cup of caster sugar. Using an electric beater, we're going to go ahead and whisk together the peanut butter and sugar until it's well combined. Of course, if you don't have an electric beater, you can use a whisk and whisk it by hand, or if you have a stand mixer, you could use that as well. So to the mixture, we're going to be adding 1 egg, and that is all we'll be adding to the ingredients. It's just 3 ingredients, super simple and quick to make. The batter is also no chill, so you won't need to place it into the refrigerator. So from here, your peanut butter, sugar and egg should start to come together and start to form a more cookie dough-like mixture. I'm rolling out the cookie dough by hand today rather than using a cookie scoop. I find that it helps to compact the cookie dough together. As the cookie dough is quite loose, this helps. Place them on a lined baking tray, evenly spaced apart. This cookie dough batter makes about 12 cookies. Using a fork, we're going to press down and make a crisscross pattern on each of the cookie dough balls. Place the tray in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. The cookies should come out nicely golden, not too brown. The cookies will be quite soft, so leave them on the tray for 10 minutes before transferring onto a wire rack to cool completely. They're beautifully crumbly on the inside and have a beautiful peanut butter taste. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!